Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study quickly and efficiently step by step. Start by setting a clear, specific goal for your session and choose a single topic to focus on. Break study time into short, timed intervals and use quick active techniques like summarizing aloud, solving practice problems, and teaching key ideas to an imaginary student for better retention and speed. Make studying effective by actively engaging with material rather than passively reading. Speak summaries out loud, quiz yourself with flashcards, and solve practice problems under timed conditions. Mix related topics to strengthen connections and use spaced retrieval to revisit ideas at intervals. These habits speed learning and improve recall so you get more done in less time without burning out. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future videos. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum can upgrade your clean game with voice control and smart mapping, which frees up study time and reduces interruptions from chores. I find it surprisingly handy for keeping study spaces tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Create an environment that supports focused work by clearing clutter, improving lighting, and setting a comfortable posture. Silence or remove distractions like notifications, and use simple blocking tools for social apps when necessary. Keep supplies and quick snacks handy to avoid breaks that derail momentum. A consistent, optimized space makes it easier to enter focus quickly and study efficiently for shorter, productive sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.